I have big news for all GGs. We are happy to announce two powerful updates that will help you earn more and grow faster with Global Ghana. First, Franchise Builder 360 now comes with customized UPV. Yes, you heard that right. Now you can set your own UPV for Franchise Builder 360. You can choose any amount in multiples of 1,000 and the whole system will adjust automatically. This gives you full control over your business and income model. And the second news is all Global Ghana SaaS products now comes with UPOS, the digital mall. From now on, every SaaS product of Global Ghana like Local Pulse, Pharmasphere 360, etc. will come with UPOS built-in. This means every customer will also become a part of the digital mall ecosystem, giving cashback on every purchase, trade income from their shopping, extra earnings with no extra effort. So now let me tell you Global Ghana SaaS products which are now powered with UPOS. First is Franchise Builder 360. Next, GG Vendor Stream, GG Community. Then comes GG Local Pulse, GG Prep Master Pro, GG Pharmasphere 360, GG EduSphere, GG EduCode 360 and GG Rapid Retail. So now let me tell you how much you can earn. Let us take first example. If you start your own Franchise Builder 360, then if you get just rupees 2,500 per month per franchise, you get a guaranteed 32,40,000 per year. Plus, you also get extra trade income and cashback from users. And let us assume a second example. If you sell 100 Franchise Builder licenses, then what will happen? If you help 100 people buy Franchise Builder 360, you can earn more than 2 crore in a year. Also get income from their sales, trade and cashback activities. So now, why this is a big opportunity? Because investment is small and returns are big. Plus, monthly earning from every user. All digital, automated and easy to manage. Plus, lifetime recurring income from every sale. Start your journey now. Use Franchise Builder 360 plus Global Ghana SaaS products plus UPOS to build your own 2 crore plus income stream. Don't miss this chance. Take action today. Be Ziddi, keep walking.